Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Visual Studio Code in Windows. So let's get started. So just go to Google and type download Visual Studio Code. You will be getting the first link over here as codevisualstudio.com. Just click that and here you will be having Visual Studio Code for different OS. There is for Windows, Linux and Mac. I'm gonna download it for Windows, so I will just click on this Windows. Okay, so download will get automatically started. So it is about 88.8 MB in size, so just be patient. So once the download is complete, just click on open and you'll be getting like this license agreement. Just click on I accept. You can just scroll down and read it. Next. So this is the location where Visual Studio Code will be installed. So if you want, you can just browse and change the location. I am fine with the default one. Just click on next and next as well. And here you can like create a desktop icon, and it's always good to have this one. Just check this. Okay, action to Windows Explorer. Yeah, better to check everything and just click on next and install. Such a simple installation process. Okay, yeah, so once the installation is done, just click on launch Visual Studio Code and click on finish. So this is the first interface that you will be getting after you launch Visual Studio Code. So you can like change the theme. There is light, dark contrast, light contrast, dark is the standard stuff. So you can just do with this. And in case if you want like create a new file, you need to go to file and you'll be having this new file over here. Just click on that text file. Yeah, or else once you're done with this, you can just click on select a language. Just click on select a language and you'll be getting these many languages available. I will just go with basic HTML at first. Just click on HTML. So I'll just type some random HTML code, just a single HTML code. Okay, HTML, and I will go with body. Yeah, and I will have a h1 tag saying hi like this. Yeah, so once you're done typing with a particular code, for saving it you need to go to like Control S, or you just like go on click file, save it. So I'm saving it in desktop. I will name it as untitled. Save the type as HTML, save. And if I go to my desktop, yeah, the file is over here. If I just click it, Chrome, I will click on OK. Yeah, so here you can see I'm getting the output over here. And in case if you want to open a particular file, you can do the exact same way as well. What you're doing is, this is a particular HTML file, right? I'll just right click it, and here you will be having open code with. So open, we will be having open with Visual Studio Code, and we'll be having like a direct one. I will go with open with and Visual Studio Code. So here you can like open. So here you can see that I've got the exact code open now, and this is like the folder structure. I have not opened any folder right now. If you want to open any folder, exact same thing, file, you will be having the open folder. So you can select any folder that you want to open. So this is how you install and use Visual Studio Code. I hope you would have found this video useful. I've also done many other tutorials in C, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, MySQL, Spring Boot. So do check other videos of my channel. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.